Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the Alzheimer disease classification using machine learning. So let's run the Python file, Python space app.py in the terminal, and the model will load and it will open the web page. Okay, so it will take bit time, and the user interface designed using Django. When we run the web development code or Django code, then we'll get one URL. So we have to copy that URL and paste in any browser. So I'm just copy that URL and paste in any browser. Opening the Chrome web browser and just paste the URL. So it will open the login page. I'm just login with the username and password, and then click on the login button. After that, it will open the home page. Like you have to upload any file. So I'm just clicking any image and then click on the submit button. So it will predict the Alzheimer disease prediction, like AD. Okay, now we can give any other image. So it will also contain the Alzheimer disease. You can select any of the image from dataset. Okay, and it will contain the CN, like cognitively normal. Let's select any other image. It also contains the cognitively normal, like CN. Okay, like we are classifying and then predict the particular type of Alzheimer disease. Now I'm just giving the another image, and it contains the MCI, like mild cognitive impairment Alzheimer disease. Like that, I'm just giving one more image. Okay, it also contains the MCI, like mild cognitive impairment disease. Okay, and it contains the multiple pages like quiz, information, and logout. So this is the complete quiz pages of the question related to Alzheimer disease. Now I'm just opening the information page. So it contains the description of all the disease, and let's log out. Yeah, so thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Thank you.